Hello there everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create an array and we're going to access multiple elements in that array. So let's start off and create the array. So my array, and use QW here, quoted words, to make a quick array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Those are the elements. Now I'm going to create a subroutine called access array element, meaning elements. Normally I don't usually make long names like that, but I'm just doing it to be extra clear. Okay, so we're going to create my, and then we're going to have scalar element 1. I'm going to access 3 elements in this array. Scalar element 2 and scalar element 3 here, which is, oh dear, that's wrong. What am I doing there? What's happened? Hey dear. Which is going to be element 3. Okay, that's going to be equal to the array here, and now we're going to put 0. So this is, we're going to access the element here, number 1, which is at 0. Number 1 element, which is going to be 1. Sorry, which is going to be 2, and the second element here, which is going to be 3. So it's going to be 0, 0, 1. 2, sorry, 0, 1, 2, just there. Okay, and now we're going to print it out. So first of all, we're going to print the original array, so we can see that, which is going to be scalar array, and then we're going to print out the next one with the multiple elements. So that's going to be elements. So that's going to be scalar E1, scalar E2, and scalar E3. Right. Okay, now all we have to do is run the array, access array elements, save it, and run the program. Okay, so it's showing us here. So this one here is the original array. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the modified array. So position 0, 1, 2 there, so 0, 1, 2, which it's got access to. Anyway, I hope you like that, and remember, if you've not done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button now and turn on the bell as well, so you know when I release a video. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-de-bye.